347 requesting frequency change.
Wake up to 347, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 347, thank you.
Please, thanks. Yep. 661 via Mike, cross 12, cross 16, Alpha.
Niner Hotel Echo is circling west for 20.
Niner Hotel Echo, runway 20, clear for touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, 20, Niner Hotel Echo.
Bonanza 212 Romeo Juliet, exec round, runway 20, taxi via Delta.
Executive Tower helicopter 74347, 7.5 miles out to the north at 1,000 feet, inbound for the north ramp.
Helicopter 74347, exec tower, report 3 north of the airport.
Reporting 3 north to the airport, 347, thank you.
Tower, Diamond 877 Bravo Romeo, hold short, runway 20, ready for close traffic.
Diamond 877 Bravo Romeo, exec tower, runway 2. Do you need a short delay on the runway?
Yeah, short delay would be nice, Bravo Romeo.
Diamond 877 Bravo Romeo, roger, hold short, runway 20, landing traffic.
RPM's in green, fuel's adequate, curve beats out yellow, power's good, 1,080, not too bad, not too bad.
Bonanza 3477 Alpha, exec round, runway 20, taxi via Bravo and Mike, cross runway 16, cross runway 12.
Uh, 661 would like to park at the base of the tower.
Cessna 661, your discretion on the ramp.
Thank you, sir. Executive Tower 85 Kilo, I'd like to switch to North California.
85 Kilo, approved, good day.
Thanks for your help, 85 Kilo.
Going visual because I got General and the East Davis Med Center, so just a little bit to the, not to the freeway.
Diamond 877 Bravo Romeo, make left to close traffic, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Runway 20, clear for takeoff of left crossway.
There we go.
Welcome to 347, turn about another 10, 20 degrees right west for inbound traffic. You're a little close to the final.
Copy that, 347, sorry about that.
Tower with you.